Class example 4.31. Given the function f of x is equal to 1 over x minus 3 plus 2, state the domain, range, equation of any asymptotes, and sketch labeling the coordinates of any intercepts. For the domain, we are really going to ask ourselves, what value for x would have us dividing by 0? Well, if x was 3, we would be dividing by 0. So x cannot equal 3. This will also correspond to our vertical asymptote on our graph. The range is going to be y cannot equal 2, which will correspond to the horizontal asymptote on our graph. But where did we get that 2 from? Well, it's actually the 2 hanging off the end of the equation, which is really going to correspond to a vertical translation of 2 units up, which would make our horizontal asymptote shift 2 units up. So just to recap, our vertical asymptote was at x is equal to 3, really the non-permissible value there. And our horizontal asymptote is at y is equal to 2, because the horizontal asymptote was shifted up 2 units. Now let's solve for the y-intercept. So let's set our x value equal to 0. So we end up getting y is equal to 5 over 3. To solve for the x-intercept, we will set our y value equal to 0. So from here, we will subtract 2 from both sides, and then multiply both sides by x minus 3. And then distribute the negative 2 in. And then solve for x. And we get x is equal to 5 over 2, or 2.5. Now from here, we knew our x-intercept and our y-intercept, but we were also required to remember the general shape of y is equal to 1 over x in order to draw this, because we can look at the basic graph and think about it as just being shifted 3 right and 2 up.